everybody, today I'm going to be sharing with you my top 5 items that I bring with me when I'm going to be cooking in the woods. So right off the bat, number 1, you guys have seen this a ton of times, and that is my canister stove. Now this is just a simple fold out canister stove that you end up screwing on and you're good to go. Canister stoves are great because if you're somewhere where there is a fire ban, or if it's been raining and everything is soaked, or you're just not getting fire, you're still good to go. You're still gonna be able to cook something and make sure you can eat with this. My number 2 item is a stainless steel cup. Now this one is our Pathfinder cup, and again, this is just really good for a lot of different things. You can make soup in it, you can boil water for Mountain House or coffee or hot chocolate, you can boil water to purify it, again, soup. So always awesome to have this with. My third item is my titanium spork. Now this one is by Snow Peak and it's this really awesome purple color. I like being able to use it to stir if you're making soup or stew. You can eat with it. If you're cooking meat on a grate or a rock, you can use the fork tines to stab it and flip it. So very awesome tool for cooking out at camp. My fourth is my favorite knife ever. You guys have seen me gush about this knife so many times, and it's something that I bring with when I'm going to be cooking, not even just at camp, but I use it at home too. It's great for slicing vegetables or meat, or even cutting up a steak. So I always have this with me anyways, and it's definitely in my top 5 for cooking must-haves. And my 5th item is salt and pepper. Now, having a little bit of seasoning can spice any pre-made dish you have up, or if you have meat that you're going to be cooking, adding a little bit of salt and pepper is just going to take it to that next level. Now, this salt and pepper shaker is really nice. This is by GSI Outdoors. This is just the dual-sided one. So you could do different spices in here, but salt and pepper, it's just the best. It's going to work for a lot more things. And again, this is the best shaker that I have found. The ones that stack a whole bunch of spices, those seem to be too flimsy and you always end up breaking something, and there are some that are really hard to get into. With this one, it's just a twist it open, season whatever you're cooking, seal it up, good to go. So these are my top 5 must-haves when I'm going to be cooking at camp. I want to know down below what your top items are for camp cooking. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next one.